Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8. Dear students, today I am going to give you the assignment. The assignment is assignment number 1. As per the government direction, we have gotten the instruction of assignment. So this class is for your assignment, that how you will do the assignment task. Okay, now come here. This is of course class 8 assignment number 1. It is lecture number 9 and your assignment is here. Okay, here the assignment task is: suppose a close classmate of you shows the sign of munafiq in his behavior. What steps could you take to help him to be a true mu'min? Make a work plan in this regard. This is the task, and here are some hints given here. Okay, according to these hints and with the help of this lesson, you have to write the answer or you have to do the assignment. Of course, it is based on the chapter 1 Aqaid, and this lesson will help you to solve this or to write the answer. Here lesson 1 Iman, 2 is Nifaq, 3 is Al Asmaul Husna, and here are some hints also for you. Identify the signs of munafiq in your classmates' behavior. Why is such behavior harmful? Explain. Number 3, reference of Quran and Hadith in this regard. Way to remove the sign of munafiq from your classmate. Number 5, use steps for enabling your classmate to be a mu'min. Now come to the answer, dear students. How you will write the answer? Here the front page of your assignment. The front page will be like this. You have to write the name of this school, and it is assignment number 1, and you have to mention the subject here, your class, and section and roll here, and prepared by your name should be here. Okay, and submitted to this is my name here, and here is the designation of me, and here the mobile number, and here the date. A date will be the summation date. You will get the date later in your live class and in your Facebook group. So be careful about this. Then when you will get the date, you have to write the date over here. Okay, dear students, it is the front page of your assignment. Now come to the next page. Will be like this. As much as you need the pages should be bordered like this. Okay, and you have to start writing from here. Here the first line will be here like this. The first line will be like this, assignment number 1, and here is the question written it here, the same question. Here is the question. Okay, you will write it here. The question will be here. Okay, assignment number 1 and question will be here, and from here you have to start the writing answer. So how you will give the answer? By giving the answer 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 till here. Give the hints, answer. You have to start writing from here. Okay, it will help the lesson 1 Iman, Nifaq and Asmaul Husna will help you to write the answer, and it is your book textbook page number 2 to 11. Page number 2 to 11 will help you to do the assignment. Okay, and the reference of Quran and Hadith with meaning, you will get it in your textbook page number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This page number will help you to refer Quran and Hadith. Reference from Quran and Hadith with meaning. Okay, if you mention these things, your assignment will be nice, good, excellent. Understand? So you have to mention the reference of Quran and Hadith by giving the answer. Of course, there will be the creativity writing in the answer. Not all things from the book, some things from your knowledge also. And if the presentation should be nice and clear. Okay, the presentation should be clear. Though you will give the answer of these questions, then the assignment will be made. Okay, don't make it so long and don't make it so short. Give the nice answer over here. Okay, thus it is the idea of the assignment should be clear. Okay, My dear students, if you have any other questions or any other query about the assignment, you can ask me in your live class, or you can call me this number, okay, and you will get the date, of course. Later you will get the date. So I hope that it is clear to all of you, and that's enough for today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.